is still one lane. It is wider than it was.
It's wider and it's got more of an arch.
Yeah. 24, right here. Glad we don't have the trailer.
Good?
You're good. Perfect.
Alright, I'll take his bed when you get to it. I'll take his bed. Okay. Yeah. I'll check it. Alright, let's go hiking. Well, I know I said better than this.
Take one more swig. Oh.
Trail map.
Oh.
Yellow trail. It takes us out to the big lake. Yeah. Got just a hint of blue over there. Not much. It's primarily pretty overcast today, which is keeping the heat off of us.
Yeah. Means we can walk longer.
That's right. Year to the day.
Yeah.
Since we've been here.
We just figured that one out.
This place closed down like in February or March for like 7 months. Just reopened. Nice little trail, isn't it?
Yeah, he must have gotten his wood somewhere else. They were huge.
Lookout point. It'll be a while. Whoa.
Careful.
This must go along this creek. Hank taking you for a walk?
Yes. It's a shame that we have everywhere. That stick looked like a snake.
It did.
Scary.
I like these live oak areas.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. Come on, Hank. Okay. Hey, a little bit of blue sky. Just a little bit. Lots of little yellow flowers. Kelly's doing her story. Ah, the big lake. Big lake doesn't look that big. Let's go to the observation deck. Right.
Where's the can?
Oh, look at all the birds.
Do you want some water?
Water break. Yeah, it looks like they updated this bridge.
That's grassy.
You like it when it's grassy?
I like it when it's short grass.
Pretty out here.
It does.
But this is a area where they've done a burn before, probably in the last 10 years. For the most part, these trails have been more like dirt roads.
Yes.
Yeah, feels good in here.
Pretty.
Cool area. Yeah, that's something big.
I love it. What's back in there, bird?
I don't know, it sounded bigger than a
Yeah,
bird
it
to
did.
me. Yeah, that breeze feels good. This is just a long dirt road.
8 mile and a half.
Lake Osprey over there, bird.
Yippee-yay!
Yeah, get on it there, Hank.
Let's get some more birds.
He's got to pee. It's a good gator. He's not real big. It's pretty though. Foot traffic only, bird.
Okay.
So
Take them on my feet.
no walking on your hands or scooting on your butt. Tell you what, that's like some non-moving water there. Isn't it? No, I think it's in front of us. This is more like it,
Yes.
isn't it?
This is.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yes, have you ever taken
Yeah.
pictures of that?
The only thing that'd be prettier is if the sky was blue and it wasn't so washed out looking.
Yeah. Perfect. Still does.
They got mangroves along this bank, don't they?
You know your way.
I'm sure he'll find his way. Really weird day.
Yeah, weather-wise, this is not what I expected.
Now, I was thinking it was going to be clear. This morning it was like crystal clear.
Yeah, and this morning when I checked, it said most sunny. Just said mostly sunny, not partly cloudy or nothing.
This is downright gray, but it's nice temperature, 75, whatever it
I
is.
can't complain. I think if it were sunny, it would have heated up.
Yeah.
A bit.
It is a new bridge.
Better shape than the old bridge.
In way better shape.
Oh, let me see if I can get those colors. Pointing.
This is us. We're home. Hot dog time. All right. It's not a bad campsite, is it? Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yes, you are a good boy. Corona. Ooh, that can is like freezing my fingers. There we go. Cheers.
This is a
Oh.
holiday beer.
This is nice, huh, Hank? Hey, this is nice, isn't it? I like that crackling fire, don't you?
I just like that crack.
It is midnight. We got a hotbed of coals, but we're calling it. Ooh, man, beautiful day. Here it comes. There it comes.
Same breakfast you get every Sunday
Hi.
on camp.
Can I trade you?
Yeah.
Thanks, baby.
You want some more coffee?
Yeah.
Ready? Hank,
Hey, thanks. Go on. All right, I'm ready. Leaves are falling right off.
because it's dry.
Yeah, there's just a little bit of water right there. You got 20, 30, no 50. I think we're ready.
Yes. Going across the new bridge.
Dang, it's amazing. I can see when I put these on. Hank and I walked across this morning.
It didn't do it very. It's because of the lid. Checking out. Locking up.
We're spot 24.
Good spot.
It was a real good spot. We get through there.